This video will show you how to install a hardwired smoke alarm using a Nest Protect, Kidde, or FireX adapter plug. If you're replacing your existing Nest Protect, Kidde, or FireX smoke alarm with a new First Alert or BRK Hardwired smoke alarm, there is a possibility that the wiring harness connector might not fit. To avoid having to rewire the harness yourself or hire an electrician, you can use adapter plugs during smoke alarm installation. In this video, we will demonstrate using a Kidde adapter plug. First, turn off the power at the fuse or breaker to the junction box. Next, remove the old alarm. Refer to the alarm's specific user manual for instructions on how to remove the device. Next, unplug the wiring harness by squeezing the tabs and pulling it apart. Unscrew the old alarm's mounting plate and remove it from the wall or ceiling. Line the new mounting plate up with the existing holes on the junction box and screw it into place. Plug the adapter plug into the existing harness and then connect the alarm to the other end. It should click into place. Continue mounting the alarm onto the mounting plate and restore power to the junction box. If there is not enough room for the adapter plug and additional wiring to fit into the junction box, the old power connector must be replaced with the connector that came in the box. You should also use the First Alert BRK wire harness if the adapter plug does not work. If necessary, contact an electrician for installation. Thanks for watching.